What are you talking about? What you talking about? What's Mama's baby talking about? That pretty. Say it again. I want to hear it again. Tell me again. Tell me again. Oh, I love that. I love what you said. Yes. Tell Mama again. Tell Mama again. Is that so? Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, tell me what else happened. Well, what next? Tell me the rest of the story. Tell Mama the rest of the story. Tell me. I'll go get you. What's that serious look about? Well, what's that pretty serious look about? Huh? Well, tell me. Aww, she's gorgeous girl. She's Mama's gorgeous girl. Yes, she's a sweetheart. You Mama's sweetheart. Whose girl are you? Are you Mama's girl? Are you Mama's girl, huh? Well, tell me if you're Mama's girl. Say, yes, I'm Mama's girl. Tell me. Tell Mama. Yeah. Say, me and my mama all... Say, somebody must have stuck us together like super glue, didn't they? Because we're never apart, are we? No. No. Hey, somebody must have spilled some super glue on us and we got stuck together, didn't we? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. My Mama loves you. Mama loves her baby girl so much. Yes, she does. Yeah. Yeah, I do. You know Mama loves you, don't you? Yes. Yes. You Mama's little buddy, aren't you? Yes, she is. Yes, she's my buddy. Yes. Yes, her Mama's gorgeous girl. Yeah, my Mama's sweetheart. Yes, I am. Hey, Mama's sweetheart. Her Mama's baby. Yes, she is. Her Mama's baby girl. Yes, she's Mama's girl. She's a Mama's girl. You getting sleepy? Getting sleepy? Are you getting sleepy? You don't sleep very long when you do go to sleep, do you? It's a cat nap, don't you, huh? What? What? You getting bored? Are you getting bored? You want something to do? Oh, let's see. Look in there. Okay, do you see anybody in there you know? Do you see anybody in there? Oh. Okay, hold on a minute. You want something to drink? Here. Just still there a minute. Let me get you some. Okay. want a drinky? Do you want a drink? Hmm? Do you want a drinky drink? Do you want a drink? No? No? Here. Get up. Oh, come back up here. Come back up here. Good boy. To come back up here. There, now sit up here. There, you're going to sit up here there. Okie dokie. Now, Ricky. Oh, Ricky. You want a drink? Want a drink? You want a drinky? Hmm? Do you want something to drink? No drinky? Okay. Well, let me see if you want something. You might change your mind. Let's see. Let's see if you want something. Nom, 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 nom. Or did you forget how to drink again? Nom, 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 nom. Okay, so maybe you don't want none. Or do I have to reteach you again like I do sometimes? How to do the bottle. There, you want to sit up? Oh, you want to sit up? Okay. Are you getting bored? Are you getting bored? Oh. Oh. You want to stand up? You want to stand up a while? Okay. There, sit up a while. Sit up a while. Get up. Oh. You getting sleepy? Are you getting sleepy? Okay. Well, let Mama think. Okie doke.